Hi YouTubers, so today we're going to be opening a new Rubik's Cube, and then I get to show my mom that fast Rubik's Cubes are better than the slower ones. So let's open it. So it's from the company Daily Puzzles. Ooh. Ooh. So this is our Rubik's Cube, and and then we got a coupon from Daily Puzzles. Visit www.dailypuzzles.com.au and enter thanks10 at the checkout. And the T is capital. So let's go see what cube it is. So the name of it is QIYI Warrior S. And it's a 3x3 and it's 55.5 millimeters. So let's open it. I wonder how you open this. So we got it opened. And here's my Rubik's Cube. It has bright colors and it's stickerless. Oh my, this feels new. The only other fast cube I had was, I don't know, but it was my first one. Feels so much different and makes, oh my. So you can see the logo right here, and that's what we got. And this is the front, and this, and
Can you make a checkerboard?
Checkerboard. Let's see how fast I can. Beep, 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 beep. Oh no. This is so weird. It's so fast. I like it, but it's new to me because it's fast in a way that it's...
So what would you rate it?
A 9 out of 10.
And why?
The reason is because it's probably gonna change, but right now, because I'm not used to the super fast turning. So my mom's doing it now, so she's gonna try the Rubik's brand first.
I like it. It's kind of hard, but not too hard. It's not as fast.
And now she tries this one.
Oh wow, this one is really fast. It's smooth. I think I would buy this one before I bought that one. Yes, I like this one.
So bye YouTubers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button and the bell button. So bye.